Even in today's digital world, the manufacturing of paper products is still very necessary. But this process also produces a very important byproduct. Viking Pump has reliable products for handling the valuable substance known as black liquor soap. Black liquor soap is a natural byproduct that separates from black liquor during the craft wood pulping process used to make paper products. The soap is skimmed off and used to make tall oil. Black liquor soap can be abrasive and have varying viscosities, making it a challenge to pump and seal. The cast iron 1124A series features Viking Pump's O-Pro Barrier Seal, which virtually eliminates the leaking and mess associated with packed pumps. These pumps are constructed with hardened materials and have capacities up to 400 gallons per minute. The stainless steel 1127C series utilizes the O-Pro Guard Seal, which also virtually eliminates leaking and mess associated with packing. They have capacities up to 320 gallons per minute. Finally, the 1224A series is cast iron and jacketed for heating the pump prior to startup. This pump also utilizes the O-Pro Barrier Seal and has capacities up to 400 gallons per minute. To learn more about Viking Pump and the handling of black liquor soap, please contact your local Viking Pump distributor.